Trane thermostat XL1050 stuck in boot up loop. Is the only fix a replacement?
Have you replaced your Trane thermostat or parts of it before? If so, how long ago?
No replacement. This is a 1-year-old install. Just a few months outside of warranty.
How long has this been going on with your Trane thermostat? What have you tried so far?
This has been ongoing for a few months. The only thing to try is to recycle power.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
When the issue first started, the thermostat would eventually complete the boot cycle. Once the cycle completed, the only way to operate the AC unit was via the Nexia app. Once you touch the display, the reboot cycle would start and the AC unit would become inoperable. For the last month or so, we only controlled the AC unit via the app. However, yesterday the app was unresponsive and displayed a service required message. This is the first time seeing this.
Please read carefully and reply. Hello, welcome to JustAnswer. My name is I am the category moderator. I apologize for the wait. I wanted to reach out to see if you still need assistance with your question. Please use the reply box below to let me know if you'd like to continue or cancel. If you were attempting to reach a different company, please let me know that as well. Thank you. Roman moderator.
Hi, my name is Expert here for almost a decade and thank you for using JustAnswer. I am extremely sorry that nobody has answered your question yet. I rarely use the phone system and you are not charged for it. Unfortunately, you had a lemon from that start, and the bad news is that once these are corrupted they usually end up like this. You can do some workaround procedures, but once the unit is corrupt and the app starts acting up, it is time for a replacement. I wish I had better news because I know you are going to be in the 80s F for the next 2 weeks with lots and lots of rain and hopefully no wind damage. Those are the facts though. It is time to replace the unit. If you have any problems or need additional assistance, I would be happy to come back in and the system will notify me if you post again. If you don't get 5 stars, I don't get credit for my time. Thanks, and have a great day.
Thanks for following up. Since I didn't get a response from anyone, I replaced the thermostat. My buddy has the same problem. He's pretty handy, installed the Trane air handler and heat pump himself, so he popped open his thermostat and thinks that it is a bad capacitor. He's going to replace the capacitor in his thermostat to see if that's the fix.
You are quite welcome. Experts answer questions as they are made available to us, and sometimes that is a long time from the initial posting. He should look carefully at the capacitors, and most often when they fail, the top will have a bulge in the top.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.